Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use dual messenger in Samsung Galaxy S24. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on advanced features. Now in advanced features, scroll down and here click on dual messenger. And to use a dual WhatsApp messenger, turn on this respective button of WhatsApp. And if you want to use a dual messenger of Snapchat or Messenger, then turn on their respective buttons. So just simply tap on the button to turn it on and then click on install. Now you can see the second copy of WhatsApp is installed. Now go back to your home screen and open app gallery, and here you can see a copy of WhatsApp is available in my app gallery. So that's how you can use dual messenger in Samsung Galaxy S24. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.